Hi and welcome back to the Excel Hub. In this video, we'll move from just navigating Excel to actually working with data. You'll learn how to enter information efficiently, clean it up, and format it to look clear and professional. And if you'd like to follow along with me, you can download the Excel template I'm using. You'll find the link in the description below. So let's start with some basic data entry. Here we have 5 columns: product, category, unit sold, unit price, and date sold. And I've populated the data with some of our products. And let's say we want to add an additional product. We can click on cell B9, we can type beef, and then click enter. To go to the next cell, we can go up and then use the right arrow, and we can type meat. We can then add the unit sold, the price, and the date. So let's add some figures here. To make everything visible in column F, hover over the line between the 2 column letters and simply double click. That automatically adjusts the column width to fit the longest entry within the column. Alternatively, you can right click the column, select column width, and then edit it manually like this. We can then finally center align it. So you can see here it's right aligned and here it's left aligned. And if we want to ensure that all of the data is center aligned, we can select it and then simply click Center Alignment within the Home tab. Now that our data is in place, let's take a few more steps to make it easier to read. Start by selecting the header row and making it bold. We can also apply a light grey fill color. And finally, we can add borders to the whole range by going to the Home tab and selecting all borders. Next, let's tidy up the number formats. For unit prices, let's select the range, right-click, and let's click Format Cells. Then let's go to Currency Formats and click OK. And as you can see, it's formatted it in currency format to 2 decimal places. Finally, we can also remove the grid lines. This makes it look a little bit more presentable. And to do this, go into the View tab and then select grid lines, or rather untick grid lines. To draw attention to higher priced items, let's select the cells which contain the prices. Let's go to the Home tab. Let's select Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, select Greater Than, and then enter 3. And now any price above 3 appears automatically highlighted. We can change the formatting. So let's say we want to green fill with a dark green text. We can select it and click OK. Next, let's calculate total revenue for each product, and we'll do this in column G. Since we want to maintain the same formatting, we can select the range in column D, click Ctrl+C to copy, and then Ctrl+V to paste after selecting cell G2. We can delete the existing entries by selecting them, and then clicking delete on your keyboard. Let's change the header to total revenue. In cell G3, let's type equals D3 times E3. And this multiplies units sold by the unit price. We can press enter and then double click the fill handle to copy it down the column. As you can see, Excel dynamically adjusts the formulas to consider the next row each time. So that wraps up today's video and shows you how to go from raw data to a better structured, ready-to-use table in Excel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for future Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.